Lucifer, you never look so sane. You always did prefer the drizzle to the rain. Tell me that you're still in love with that milkmaid. How the Lizzies, how's your Jesus Christ been hanging? Nothing's gonna stop me from floating. Nothing's gonna stop me from floating. He says he reckons I'm a watercolor stain. He says I run and then I run from him and then I run. He didn't see me watching from the aeroplane. He wiped a tear and then he threw away our apple seed. Nothing's gonna stop me from floating. Nothing's gonna stop me from floating. Hands go away. Every day is my wedding last. The baby's still in here. Say you're a down my own easy. Just don't go yet. Just don't go away. He lost the sunset, but that's last job. Just jump with love to favorite crash. Go for the reason. Never get away. Never gain weight. Never gain weight. Father Lucifer, you never look so sane. You always did prefer the drizzle to the rain. Tell me that you're still in love with that milkmaid. How the Lizzies, how's your Jesus Christ been hanging? Didn't know our love was so small. right on time. You get closer and closer, cool my nine. There's no way you stop him. I rent your wife and kids today, yeah, maybe she will. I said, oh, maybe she will. Caught a lightning, dreamed a little dream, made my own pretty hate machine. Boys on my left side, boys on my right side, boys in the middle, and you're not here. Boys in their dresses, and you're not here. I need a big leg from the ghetto. I need a big loan from the ghetto building, tumbling, yeah. Didn't know our love was so small, couldn't stand it out, Mr. St. John, just bring your son. She's a beauty queen. Hey, my sweet bean pie in the street, take it down out to the laundry scene. Don't know why she's in my hand, can't figure what it is, but lie, lie, lie again. I got me some horses to ride on, to ride on. They say that your demons can go there, so I got me some horses to ride on, to ride on. As long as you're on me, it keeps perfectly still. And maybe I'll find me a sailor, a tailor, and maybe together we'll make Motherwell. So I got me some horses to ride on, as long as showed me the meadow and milkwood and silkwood, and you would if I would, but you never would. So I chased down your posies, your pansies and my roses, then opened my hands and they were empty then. Off with Superfly, sniffing a Sharpie pen, honey, it's pill and pen. Off with Superfly, counting your V's of me, honey, like 1, 2, 3. The camera is rolling, it's easy, like 1, 2, 3. And if there is a way to find you, I will find you. But will you find me if an nail makes me a tree? An afro, a pharaoh, I can't go, you said so. But threads that are golden don't break easily. So I got me some horses to ride on, to ride on. They say that your demons can go there. So I got me some horses to ride on, to ride on. As long as you're on me, keeps burning.